We're going to show you how to change your bulkhead assembly with the pressure switch and the solenoid. To starters, you open up, pull panel off of the front panel off of your pump using a tool available at miscooling.com. This tool here, this is a tube release tool. While pushing it in on the tubing and pushing it in on the outer ring, pull the tubing out both places. Then you want to take the inlet fitting off of the outside. Remove this big outer nut. Pull into the inside, your assembly will come out. Recommend that whenever you do undo the wiring, it's a good idea to take a picture before you take it apart. That way you have reference to go back to. But all you need to do is unscrew the wire nut, separate the wire, put the new wires back, tighten the nut back on it, reassemble, put this back in the hole, big nut, inlet fitting, then reinstall your tubing back in the same way that it came apart. Push the tubing till you can feel it click twice, or will not push in any farther.